Hey guys, welcome to Flavour and Friends, and we're here with a special guest, our dentist, Dr. Kev. See you, man.
Yes. Appreciate it, family, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm a dentist. I'm Sean and Craig's dentist. I'm a clinical director of Dove Dental Wellbeing Spa, and I'm so happy to be here and excited to start cooking. So we have our own special recipe of banana bread, okay?
But listen, Kev, banana bread, I like my banana bread sweet. I like it with sugar, I like it with butter, and all of that.
But today, we're gonna be more health conscious today.
Okay.
We're gonna do something that's low in sugar and low in fat. So we've got our eggs, vanilla, we'll use a little bit of honey, coconut oil. Guys, next we're gonna have a separate bowl and have our ripe bananas, okay? We're gonna peel them and put them in the bowl. We're gonna mash them down. Bananas in this case is very important because it will act as a natural sweetener. How does sugar affect our teeth? Sugar can affect our bodies. Especially in our community, we are at high risk of developing things like diabetes. What people don't know is that diabetes can put you at risk of having gum disease. So next we're gonna add our mashed bananas into our wet ingredients. Then we're gonna add wholemeal flour, which is good in fiber, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Now we're gonna fold in our mixed fruits like I've been learning today. And keep on folding and folding and folding like I've been learning today that you can fold fruits, okay, or fold a mixer to make sure everything comes together to give it a nice texture. You can use a hand mixer, but me, I'm good with my hands. I like to feel the texture, right? So I like to use my hand and kind of be more hands-on when it comes to cooking. So we're gonna pour the mixer into the grease-proof baking tin and give it a little shake. Slice it off and put it right in the center of the cake. Then we're gonna place it into the oven at 180 degrees and leave it there for an hour. A recipe like this should be seen as a treat where you can have it as a dessert as part of a main meal. You know, the problem where we go wrong is that we have it as snacks in between our meals, and that increases the risk of having tooth decay. After the banana bread is cooked, let it cool down for 30 minutes and then enjoy. I want to give you a little tip. If you don't know that your banana bread is ready, just use a toothpick and put it into the banana bread. And if it comes out wet, that's how you know it's not ready. But if it comes out dry, that gives you an indication you're good to go.
That's seriously good, you know?
You're not just saying it.
No, I'm not. Nah.
You might have to change the profession, you know? You have to be a chef now, or baker.
I told you I'm good with my hands, man.
No.
Uncontrolled gum disease does lead to heart problems, and it can also lead to erectile dysfunction.
Man, I want that, you know?
Trust me, you don't want that at all.